Yen tells us that our soil type is not water restrictive, but our geographical location is light restrictive. I didn't really know that. There's some very interesting data from the information you give Yen team and the samples you send into Yen that come back and educate you. So that's fascinating, and that's a great reason alone to be part of it.
Hutchinsons have invited us to be part of their trial with a new NDVI scanning system, which is attached to our sprayer. There's various cameras going across the boom, and they are taking images of the crop, measuring reflection from the crop to see then how tall the crop is and what sort of green leaf matter there is on that crop. They then turn that data into some meaningful maps to then show us where the thicker part of the crops are and where the thinner parts are. We're then hoping to see if there's any correlation with that and yield, to then see where we can use that for future either crops or applications with either nitrogen rates or drilling rates for future crops.
The variety we chose for having a go at the world record was reflection, and the main reason behind choosing it was its standing ability. So that allows you with a straight upright habitat of a plant to put more heads per square metre into the area, and this will allow you to capture more sunlight. It's like a solar panel. Put at level at 90 degrees, you can't get so many in, but if you look at most solar parks, they're all angled at 45 degrees, which allows you to get more solar panels in per square metre, and that was my theory behind this.
We don't really measure sunlight on our farm, but what we do record is the electricity we produce from solar panels. So since 2011, we've been recording what electricity, kilowatt hours, that our solar panels produce. We use the data from the solar panels on the farm roofs, which are intercepting light, to see if there's a correlation between how the crops are performing as well. Over the last 4 years, we've seen various changes. In 2012, we saw some very poor light levels in June and July, which led to very low specific weights and low yields. In 2014 and this last year, we've seen some fairly good light levels during the critical grain filling period, which I suggest has led to higher yields. If we can do more work with that, that'd be quite interesting.